welcome back to my channel. This is episode 2 of the festive makeup series, and this one is the blushed beauty makeup look. So this is the look that we're going to create, and as you can see, it has a lot of pink color on my face, and we're going to use everything pink that is in your makeup kit right now. So just take it out, and we're going to start using cream blush, powder blush, and everything pink. Start by spraying some rose water so that our face looks fresh, and next we're going to apply the primer, and now for creating the blushed beauty look, before we move on to the foundation, I am going to apply blush on my cheekbones. So I'm using this. For creating a blushed beauty look, we, before moving on to the foundation, are going to apply a little amount of blush on our cheekbones. So I'm using this Maybelline Dream blush, which is in a cream texture, the color of the blush that you must have. So for pale skin, you might want to go for very peach kind of, or you can say very light pink colors for the pale skin tone, and for lighter to medium skin tone, just like mine, we should go for the peachy pink color. As you can see, this one is the same shade, and for the peachish or the goldenish kind of skin, you should use the bright and brighter side of the pink colors. And for darker complexions, use some bright hues, that come in blush. Make sure you're applying exactly in the middle of your cheekbone. So now we're going to leave it like this. We don't need to just blend it that much, because we are now moving on to apply the foundation. Now this is a wet beauty blender that I'm using. I'm using the Fit Me foundation. This has created a natural blush onto my cheeks, and on top of that, we definitely are going to apply the blush again. Next, we're going to conceal. For concealing, you might want to use a brush, or you might just use the ring finger and dab. Now moving on to the eyes, there's this look that I really wanted to try out, and I'm going to first try it out on my right eye, and then if it works out great, then I'm going to show you on the left eye. So as you guys can see, I have created this amazing look, beautiful blushed eyeshadow look I have created, and I'm going to replicate it now on this side. So we are going to be using this Huda Beauty palette that I have using shades, as you can see over here, beautiful shades. So we're going to start by applying the concealer on the eyelids. This is really important for the eyeshadows to show out a pigmented color. Difference it creates if you apply the eyeshadow without the concealer. It is not going to show this much color, but when you apply it with the concealer, the eyeshadow appears to be really pigmented. Not to worry about these the rough lines if it is creating anything. So what next we're going to do is we are going to take this shade, this orange peaches shade, and we're going to create a line right below this. Do you feel you have the desired amount and the desired color, and start blending it Next we're going to take a little amount of shimmery color, this one over here, and we are going to be applying it. Now for a cut crease kind of look, you need to apply the concealer first before applying any sort of shimmer shade down here. So I will be applying my shimmer base. I will actually be using my hand itself for applying it first. And now on top of that, I will be using this beautiful matte look shimmer brick palette. This has some beautiful shades, shimmer shades for creating this blush look. I feel it's perfect for your cheeks, for everything. I am also going to take this shade and apply the same at the corners. And now I'm going to just blend these well. And now to finish off this with a glittery look, I am going to apply this last shade again. And this time I am not going to be blending it. So you can see how beautiful this look is. So we are going to be using this lighter shade and this. So I'm going to mix these two and I am going to apply this lower lash line. Don't go all the way to the center of your, to this corner of your eye, just in the center, and that's more than enough. And we're gonna end this by applying this concealer in a straight line, like this. And you can take any brush or your hand or anything, and you can just quickly. I'm taking this tiny little brush. For this look, and so you see how defined it has given this entire look. I'm going to first curl my lashes for that. So hold it for like around 5 to 10 seconds and we're good to go. End this look with a mascara. So yes, this is the final eyeshadow. I am not going to use any highlighter or anything, but yeah, I'm definitely going to contour a little bit this time with my Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using this brown shade here, and I'm going to just quickly contour. Blushed beauty look, we have to end it in a very pinkish tone, and that is why I'm using again this shimmer brick. It has amazing shades, as you guys can see. So we are just going to use this entire brick and create a very beautiful pink look. Also, I'm going to use a little bit of it on my nose as well, over here. I'm really sorry guys, in the flow of it I had actually forgotten to put liner on this side of my eye. So I've just put it, and now you can see the final look, and what's left is just my makeup fixer. So I'm going to quickly spray some Swiss Beauty aloe vera with vitamin E makeup fixer. This one's really nice, really mild, and I love it. We're gonna end this look with my Lakme 9 to 5. This is the perfect nude shade that I have found. I use it daily for my everyday use because it's so amazing and it's such a pretty color. We're gonna go light on the lip. Make sure you're using a matte shade instead of glossy one. Do you guys also love this applicator? I mean, it's so amazing. How easily we can apply lipstick using this. This is the final look guys, and this is a beautiful neck piece that I'm wearing, and these are the pair of earrings beautiful earrings that I got for just 10 rupees from Sarojini Nagar. How much I miss Sarojini right now. I mean, I can't go there right as well. And this is the hairstyle that I've created. Just folding it yo, and then pinning it back. That's it. Not a lot of fuss that I have done, but I really like this look, and I hope you do too. And if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications as soon as my next update, that is episode 3, is going to come soon. So stay tuned. Love ya.